Today, we are going to show you a very simple kitchen design trick that will have an amazing impact on the way your kitchen looks. This appears to be a standard backsplash, right? Look a little closer. Notice anything missing? There are no outlets. Instead of outlets being on the wall, they are recessed underneath the cabinets. It would be difficult and expensive to do this after a backsplash has already been tiled, but with a little planning, this can be accomplished prior to a new kitchen being built or when new cabinets are being installed. We have provided more details in the description below, but ask your general contractor or electrician how this can be accomplished. Rest assured, the end product will look amazing.
If you found this video helpful, let us know by clicking like and consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to message us in the comments section with any constructive questions or suggestions.